Crash Course, Ecuador Avenue of the Volcanoes. Welcome to the awe-inspiring Avenue of the Volcanoes in Ecuador. Stretching along the central Andes, this extraordinary route is named after the majestic volcanoes that line its path. In this crash course, we will embark on an exhilarating journey through captivating stories and examples that will ignite your sense of adventure. We will then delve into the top 12 attractions along the Avenue of the Volcanoes, showcasing the breathtaking beauty and natural wonders of this remarkable region. Story 1. The Volcanic Symphony. Ecuador's Avenue of the Volcanoes is a living testament to the country's fiery geology. With more than 70 volcanoes, including several active ones, this region is a true testament to the Earth's raw power. The avenue traverses a landscape adorned with towering peaks, cascading waterfalls, and lush valleys, offering a unique opportunity to witness the forces of nature up close. Story 2. Mount Chimborazo, the guardian of the Andes. Among the prominent volcanoes along the Avenue of the Volcanoes, Mount Chimborazo reigns supreme. As the tallest volcano in Ecuador and the furthest point from the Earth's center, it holds a special place in the hearts of Ecuadorians. Legends and myths surround this majestic mountain, which is also home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. Top 12 attractions of Avenue of the Volcanoes. 1. Cotopaxi National Park. Explore one of the world's highest active volcanoes, Cotopaxi, and immerse yourself in the stunning landscapes of this national park. 2. Quilatoa Crater Lake. Marvel at the emerald green waters of this volcanic crater lake and take in the breathtaking views from the rim. 3. Baños. Discover the adventure capital of Ecuador, nestled at the foot of the Tungurahua volcano, offering activities like rafting, canyoning, and thermal baths. 4. Riobamba. Visit this charming city and embark on a train journey along the Devil's Nose, a thrilling engineering marvel. 5. Sequicili Indigenous Market. Experience the vibrant culture of the local communities at this bustling market, where traditional crafts and produce are on display. 6. El Altar. Encounter the mystical beauty of this dormant volcano, adorned with jagged peaks and serene lagoons. 7. Chimborazo Wildlife Reserve. Explore the diverse ecosystems of this reserve and spot unique species like vicuñas, Andean foxes, and wild horses. 8. Quilatoa Loop. Embark on a multi-day hike through picturesque villages, scenic landscapes, and the breathtaking Quilatoa Crater Lake. 9. Avenue of the Waterfalls. Witness a cascading wonderland as you journey through lush forests and encounter numerous waterfalls along the way. 10. Iliniza's Ecological Reserve. Hike through this pristine reserve, home to two stunning peaks, Iliniza Norte and Iliniza Sur, offering breathtaking vistas. 11. Pujili Indigenous Market. Immerse yourself in the rich indigenous culture of the region at this vibrant market, known for its traditional crafts and textiles. 12. Macachi. Explore this charming town surrounded by volcanoes, where you can enjoy horseback riding, hiking, and local cuisine. Summarizing the Avenue of the Volcanoes. The Avenue of the Volcanoes is an extraordinary journey through Ecuador's natural wonders. From the towering peaks of Cotopaxi to the vibrant markets and cascading waterfalls, this route offers a breathtaking immersion into the country's rich cultural and geological heritage. Whether hiking through pristine landscapes or encountering indigenous communities, the Avenue of the Volcanoes presents a myriad of experiences that will leave you awe-inspired and longing for more. Poem. In Ecuador's heart, a pathway unfolds. The Avenue of the Volcanoes, an adventure untold. Majestic peaks and valleys so wide. Nature's symphony, with fiery pride. From Cotopaxi's towering might to Quilatoa's emerald light. Waterfalls cascading with grace. And indigenous markets, a vibrant space. Chimborazo, guardian of the Andean skies. Unveiling secrets as the condor flies. Hiking trails through wilderness untamed, where nature's beauty remains untamed. The Avenue of the Volcanoes, a treasure to explore. In Ecuador's embrace, forevermore. A journey that stirs the soul and ignites the flame, leaving indelible memories in your name. Song. Verse 1. Along the Avenue of the Volcanoes we roam. Through Ecuador's heart, we find our home. From Cotopaxi's peak, reaching the sky. Tequilatoa's crater, where spirits lie. Chorus. Oh, avenue of the volcanoes, a wondrous sight. A symphony of nature, a pure delight. Mountains and valleys, so rich and grand. In Ecuador's embrace, we forever stand. Verse 2. Beneath Chimborazo's watchful gaze, we embark on trails with awe-filled praise. Waterfalls cascade, a shimmering veil, as we journey through this volcanic trail. Chorus. Oh, avenue of the volcanoes, a wondrous sight. A symphony of nature, a pure delight. Mountains and valleys, so rich and grand. In Ecuador's embrace, we forever stand. Bridge. From indigenous markets to ancient lore, the spirit of the land, forevermore. The beauty of the Andes, so vast and true. In every step, a connection anew. Chorus. Oh, avenue of the volcanoes, a wondrous sight. A symphony of nature, a pure delight. Mountains and valleys, so rich and grand. In Ecuador's embrace, we forever stand. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8 = 79893335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.